A very warm welcome from the Coulisses Design Studio, where we proudly present the Living Beauty concept, our new textile collection for 2021 and beyond. My name is Laura, I work as a business developer at the marketing department, and I will be your host. Our creative director, Katharina Idema, will join us later today. Katharina has a background in design and specializes in textiles, branding and concepting. She oversees the development of new collections and is responsible for the visual identity of Coulisses. She will explain the design philosophy, relevant themes, inspirations that are of great importance in the development of this new concept. It's important to highlight that the Living Beauty concept covers all product groups, but for now we are only going to focus on rollerblinds. As your window covering specialist, we want to assist you in creating your best performing assortment that is perfectly aligned with your market needs, sales strategies and goals. Today we will explain you how you can do that and what kind of marketing services are applicable to invigorate your market introduction. We are entering a new era, full of opportunities to rethink and recreate what is important to us. Moving away from an age of high speed, it's time to start with a blank canvas. Let's have a look how we gave substance to this blank canvas. I think we need our expert from today. I would like to invite Katharina. Katharina, welcome.
Thank you.
The Coulisses design team seeks inspiration in what's happening in the world, follows trend seminars and trend watchers. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yes, the joy of less is today's new luxury, bringing us back to the essence. It's all about removing the clutter and create clarity and focus. In the past, we extended the collection with a great variety of jacquards, descents and prints in rich color tones and patterns. During the collection process for the Living Beauty concept, we took a step back and analyzed our data, which results in a future-proof collection that is downsized but comprehensive and still inspirational.
Next to minimalism, you see the shift towards the theme well-being as a more important topic.
Yes, tactile materials and natural design, inspired by nature, contribute to a calm home, environment and workplace, which help us find balance, comfort and well-being. It's about feeling good and a desire to recharge, especially in this busy world we are living in. The beauty aspect is always intertwined in everything we do. Whether it's a collection, an exhibition, a showroom or a website, it breeds a sense of allure.
So for the Living Beauty concept, themes like minimalism, beauty and well-being are integrated. What would you say is the ultimate source of inspiration looking at the development of our Living Beauty concept?
It's based on the beauty found in the world. Rather than a standalone collection, Living Beauty is a concept that covers all by beauty-inspired textiles of our existing collection and is also expanded with new textiles. It's important to mention that we still embrace the textiles we developed in the past. As said earlier, after doing extensive data research, we completed the existing collection with new basics and exclusive velvets. Next to that, we want to be more thoughtful about what we add to the changing world. We take responsibility for our ecological footprint. A part of the Living Beauty collection consists of eco-luxury textiles, which means that they contribute to a better world, but are still innovative and extraordinary. The Rollerblind collection in the Living Beauty concept can range from plains, textures, jacquards, prints, nature, velvets and screen qualities.
So the concept can be seen as a new sense of opulence, inspired by the elements and designed for recycling. How is sustainability integrated in this concept?
Sustainability is integrated that we choose materials which can stand the test of time rather than the fast fashion. These products can either be made from recycled materials, produced in a more responsible way, or both, and will be marked with the eco-luxury label. Eco-luxury can be categorized into 4 different pillars: recycled yarns, eco-produced, or eco-text, or FSC paper.
With a team of experts, we can create your best performing window covering assortment. To provide you with a unique and well-founded detailed collection advice, our team combines their knowledge of global trends with data analysis. Combining trends and data, your one-of-a-kind window covering concept can be developed, from ready-made to made-to-measure. Katharina, How does the best assortment look like?
The foundation of the collection are the must-haves. Plains that never go out of style. They are basic yet elegant and meeting any interior style. An assortment gets character by complementing the basics with textures, jacquards, prints in different color tones and materials. It adds a sense of creativity and stimulates your proposition as a window covering expert.
Thank you, Katharina, for sharing your expertise today with us.
You're welcome.
From a marketing perspective, I would like to highlight the marketing services that are applicable to boost your best performing assortment. Today's customers have multiple touch points. Sales channels are getting more transparent and online e-commerce platforms are growing rapidly. How are you going to position yourself and create added value for your customers in this renewed retail landscape? Let's have a look at the marketing services. Next to the physical presentation, we also assist you in translating that to a digital one. Therefore, we offer ebooks, and in this digital world, your online presence is getting more and more important. For that reason, Coulisse can translate your physical collection book to a digital one, enabling you to be successful online. The layout of the collection book will be redesigned for optimal user convenience online. It will be browsable, excellent insights in various textures, color tones and specifications. The sample service is an indispensable asset within your sales strategy. Either way, you're selling through physical stores, online or doing both. We believe in selling solutions through storytelling, rather than only selling merely products on its own. The learning aspect is key within this process. We want to go beyond the product and be happy to share our approach with you. The Coulisse Academy is an initiative that supports our customers around the world to excel in window coverings and can be found on our online portal. In doing so, we share knowledge with our team on both technical and commercial level. Become an expert at the Coulisse Academy. We want to excel in window coverings together with you. In the end, it's all about creating smiles, surprises, sharings, and stories. A lot of information came across today, and I would like to give you a short summary of what has been explained. The Coulisse design team keeps a close eye on global trends, such as the joy of less, well-being and comfort, and beauty. The Living Beauty concept is based on the beauty found in the world, which consists of our existing collections and is expanded with new textiles. It's a wide range of plains, textures, jacquards, prints, nature, velvets, and screen qualities. It's a downsized but comprehensive textile collection for 2021 and beyond. Part of the Living Beauty collection consists of eco-luxury textiles. Eco-luxury can be divided into 4 pillars: recycled yarns, eco-produced, Oecotec certified, and FSC paper. With a team of experts, your best performing assortment can be created. We offer an extensive product and marketing support. Take advantage of today's challenging world with a future-proof window covering concept that meets the ever-changing demand in your market. We would love to assist you in creating your best performant assortment and service you the best possible way with marketing services that strengthen your business case. If you are interested what we can do for you, fill in the contact form and we will reach out to you. Be inspired.